Want to go live on TikTok but don't have 1,000 followers? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to go live and what to do if the live option isn't showing. First, here's how to go live the regular way. Open your TikTok app. Tap the plus icon at the bottom, just like you're uploading a video. Now slide to Live Wander from the bottom menu. Add a title and click Go Live. If you see the option, you're good to go. But if the live option isn't showing, here's what to do. Open Google Chrome or any browser. Search for TikTok Report a Problem form. Under Topic, select Report a Bug, your feature request. In Category, select Other. Enter your TikTok username and contact email. In additional details, type, "Hello TikTok team, I meet all community guidelines and want to request access to the live feature. The option is not appearing on my account. Please enable it. Thank you." You can also upload screenshots if needed. Then submit the form. That's it. TikTok usually responds in a few days. If this helped, don't forget to like, follow, and comment below.